Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So if you're interested into DIYs, makeovers, beauty, styling, health, especially natural health, this is the channel for you. And those are the things I like to talk about here in this channel. So if you're interested to any of those, you're free to subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss a single vlog or content from me. And for today's content, shout out to this comment. Thank you so much for your kind words. You are such an inspiration to me to work hard to do this more, and thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate every single word you said. And without further ado, let's get back to our vlog today. So for today, I'm gonna show you, for excuse lang pala no, kasi I'm using a new gimbal and it has this tracking something na sumusunod sa akin. So I'm just trying this out for this vlog. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it in the next vlog or what, but for this vlog, ito yung gamit ko. So medyo pasensya na kayo kung gumagalaw-galaw siya like so, because yun nga, I'm gonna do a review about this gimbal. So today, I'm gonna show you how I do my DIY faux ceramic vases. But in reality, they're just really bottles, like glass bottles that I recycled and repurposed from kung saan. Like this, sa suka, and yung sola drink, and kung ano-ano talaga as in. And then, anyway, so I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna experience something new also. We're gonna try out baking soda to give texture sa paint, and then I'm gonna give you a tour sa lahat ng mga projects na nagawa ko. So, to be honest, ang dami talaga dito sa bahay namin na DIY ko lang, and ang dami sa inyo talaga na nagtatanong, nag-message, nag-DM, na parang, saan ka bumili ng vase? Saan ka bumili nito? But in reality, they're just recycled things na ginawa ko and repaint ko, and then nagmukha na siyang ceramic, but it's not really ceramic. Things you need, of course, paint, any paint. Wala naman akong rules dito kasi nag-experiment lang din naman ako, but I'm using this one, Davis na water-based paints kasi hindi sila masyadong mabaho, and wala lang, mas madalis silang linisin kapag napunta sa damit ko. And by the way, I'm using also yung damit ko na nagupit ko para in case matipinturahan, at least hindi ko masyadong masayangan. And then if you're interested where I got this, I have a haul, loungewear haul. I'll just link it somewhere here. If you're interested to see that, to watch that, you're welcome. And then, so this is my favorite brush. So ito yung gagamitin ko. And I love to recycle. This is from one of my favorite coffee na niyang. It's a Singaporean kopitiam style coffee. And then, for this siguro, I'd like to try out ito. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is parang off-white-ish. Dapat pipinturahan ko yung rack ko ng ganito para kasi ito yung kulay ng wall namin, pero hindi ko pa nagawa, and parang tinatamad na akong gawin. So hindi ko alam kung magagawa ko pa siya. Anyway, gamitin natin kasi hindi ko pa nagamit. Okay, so this is it. I think, if I am not mistaken, this is some kind of medyo ano to, on the glossier side. Glossy. So hindi ko yung trip. Gusto ko medyo matte. So, i-combine natin siya dito sa flat or super duper. Ito naman yung super duper matte na hindi siya nakakatuwang kind of matte. So, i-combine natin yung dalawa. Pero, try ko muna, ito muna as is pala. Sige. Oh my God, ang dami nun. Lagyan natin ng baking soda. Ganyan kadami. More. And more. Oh, it's thick na. Hopefully, maganda yung itsura nito after. This is my first time, so more texture for me. Oh my god, naging thicker siya. Ang dami ko yata nalagay ng baking soda. Okay. Let it dry for siguro ilang minutes. And then balikan natin later. And then ngayon, paghaluan natin. Ito naman yung flat. Ibig sabihin super matte. Na-try ko to, sobrang hindi ako natuwa. Sobrang cheap niya tingnan. And the color is, I was expecting na medyo burnt orange na social yung tingnan. Hindi siya mukhang social, mukha siyang cheap. So, sana pag kinumbine ko, maganda. This is my favorite part. Tingnan mo to. Parang naging peach na siya. It's actually better. Okay. Oh my gosh, ang baho na. Para siyang amoy ano. Alam mo yung pang bleach? Ganun yung amoy niya. And now, ay, parang ito ulit. Yung malalang gagawa ko. Kasi ang dami niya, so ubusin ko siya. And the last one is this one. Actually, ang dami pa. Siguro may repeat ako na work. Like so. Okay, actually we're done. Okay, so yan yung collection ko. Yung ginawa ko mga DIYs na hand-painted faux ceramic. So basically, for example, this one, tinry ko siya sa glass and ito yung effect niya. Ito yung may baking soda. Ito naman yung plain lang. Pero this one is chalkboard paint naman yung gamit ko dito. This one, water-based na may halong baking soda. And then, nagkakaroon siya ng ganyan texture. Actually, okay sa akin yung may texture. Parang nagiging art yung itsura niya. Parang mas nakaka-add siya sa character. And then, different shapes. And then, ito yung parang off-white ko na dahil green yung loob niya, yung kulay niya, medyo kapag nag-crack yung baking soda, ganyan pala yung nangyayari kapag ginamit yung baking soda, may chances na nagka-crack, which is ganun talaga siya sa lahat. Pero ito medyo mas halata lang. This one, I used chalkboard dito. Yan, ito plain lang, walang halong baking soda. Yung ginamit ko dito yung favorite ko na nude. And then, ayan, different shapes. Ayan, ito, ceramic to. Plain lang yung ginamitan ko niyan. And then, this one is yung karton ng picnic. Ayan, o. So, medyo basa pa yun kasi kahapon pa yun, ano. And then, tinry ko din sa lata. Pero hindi ko, ito yung hindi, normal paint lang. Walang baking soda. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan, ang favorite ko to, by the way. Ang ganda ng itsura niya, no? So, again, this is yung itsura ng chalk paint. Ito yung may baking soda na pinaghalo kong tatlong colors. Ayan, ang daming nila actually. And then, yung madami din is yung nude. Ayan, nude na plain lang dyan sa loob. Lahat, iba-iba. And then, ito yung off-white na medyo gloss. So, ayan. This is also chalkboard paint. And then, for the texture, lahat yan glass. Except dito, tinry ko rin sa yung baking soda and yung paint mixture ko. Ginamit ko sa plastic. And in fairness, kaya naman. Ayan, no? Plastic siya. And then, what else? Yun nga, tinry ko sa plastic. Tinry ko sa karton. Tinry ko sa lata. Tinry ko sa ceramic. This is ceramic. Tinry ko sa glass. Lahat naman okay. It's gonna be messy, pero it's a fun experience. So, I hope na-enjoy kayo guys. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss a single vlog from me. And I'll see you next time.